Good morning, everybody. Well, it's morning right now, so I don't know what time you'll be seeing this video. And I'm going to do a video on advice of a gentleman, the only person that answered my question. My question is to all of you lovely people. I have Spanish friends that also want me to upload videos in Spanish as well. I would like your opinions and also your advice. So I will be looking forward in the comments below on all your opinions and your advice. What I don't really want is to open another channel in Spanish, because I already have 2 other channels and it will be a hassle for me to be worrying about the other channel. But I will be putting it in different playlists, and of course on the title you will notice it's not English. So what do you all think? Should I do one video in English and then after another day I will do a video in Spanish? That way it will be more easier for me and less complicated for me. What do you all think? What should I do? You think it's best I open a separate channel? Decisions. Help me out, everyone. I really look forward for your responses. And as you see my geranium here, winter is right in the corner and it's really hard for me. I guess I'm gonna bring this geranium inside the home and try to make it survive for the next year. It's really nice. It's mixed with red, white, and this is a different one. The leaf is totally different. It was given to me as a gift. I showed you all in one of the hauls. Anyways, my friends, thank you all for listening to my question, and I hope to see some responses. Please comment below. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you all for watching.